Okay, so this is Screencast 6. Work is equal force times distance. The SI units is joules, which is newtons times meter. It says to pick a 12-hour segment of time and then tell how much work Earth's gravitational pull does on the large weight in the video. Is the work of the gravitational pull positive or negative? Find the average power that it uses. So that would be in SI units, watts. But first we need to find work. So we know that the large weight is 16.8 kilograms. We know that work against gravity is mass times the acceleration due to gravity and then times height. So that's this equation here. So first thing I did was pick my 12-hour segment. I started at 2.205. And right when I started, it was right under the 5 centimeters between the scale. So it was right about 4 centimeters, right where it started at. At the end of my 12-hour segment, my large weight went down exactly to 10 centimeters. I subtracted a 10 minus 4 to get my distance or height that I moved through to the 12-hour segment, and that was 6 centimeters. Although I can't use 6 centimeters, it has to be in meters. So I converted it to 0.06 meters. So the first thing I did was find work. So for work, we have our weight, we have our gravity, and then we have our 0.06 meters. So for work, I got 9.89 joules. Now, since both the force and the distance are acting in the same direction, therefore work is defined as positive. If they're acting in opposite directions, they would be defined as negative, or perpendicular. It would be 0, but in this case, they're both acting in the same direction, so that the work would remain positive. Now that we have work, we're able to step to the next step and solve for power. Power is in watts, so it's joules per second. We don't have seconds. We do have work though, so we do have our joules. We know that we have a 12-hour segment. We know that we have 60 minutes in an hour, and we only have 60 seconds in a minute, which gives us to 43,200 seconds. We do that, so 9.98 joules over 43,200 seconds, which gives us 2.29 times 10 to the negative 4th watts, W. So, and I just drew the weight here.